Want to save one of your own Instagram Reels videos to share it somewhere else like TikTok or YouTube Shorts? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download your own Instagram Reels. Now let's get started. To download your videos from Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the Reels icon. Then select the reel you want to download. Tap the Share button on the right. Swipe sideways in the menu at the bottom and tap Download. The video will then be downloaded to your device. You can then repost your video on another platform if you like. That's all it takes to download videos from Instagram. Looking to download your posts from TikTok? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.